Hi guys, welcome back to WWS. Part 4 of weathering our track is green moss, so stay tuned after this. Okay, so using green moss weathering powders onto the ballast. Okay, so what we've done so far is rust in video 1, the 2 earth tones in video 2, and the black soot in video 3. So now we're going into the green moss. So pop the lid open and then get one of your brushes. I'm going to use one of the flat ones like that. Again, as usual, this one's going to be a dry one. Dip it in and start at the edge. Yeah, you haven't got to go all the way down the track. And don't need to go all the way up. If you've got your board which is green, don't worry about it. You're going to blend that in with some static grass or even some mud that I'm going to be showing in future videos. All we want is a subtle bit of colour on the edge of the ballast. So I've applied that a little bit now. What we're going to do now is just to blend it off a little bit more. Yeah, to get a different brush which is the cleaner and brush away. Like I said, don't worry about if it's on your baseboard because you can cover that up with some static grass, tufts or some mud, which again I'm going to show in future videos like I've said. And just what we do is just tone it down a little bit. Yeah, just as subtly there. Right, a little spot there that I'm just going to put the brush for there just to see if it's covered. Yeah, that's covered. I look happy with that. Okay, I've now shown you 4 videos on how to use our weathering powders. Yeah, we started off with the rust. We did the light earth tones, where we put the black soot down the middle, and then we finished off with the green moss. Some would say that it may be a bit extreme, but I certainly enjoyed it, and it gives you a hell of a lot more detail on your track. Yeah, I can finish it off down the middle of the track and on the sides where the sleepers are with a bit of haleo wood effect just to brighten it up and highlight that. We're going to finish it off with obviously static grass and some muds on future videos. But I do hope that you really enjoyed what we did. And if you have, please like, share and obviously subscribe to the channel and make sure that you hit that bell button as well. Stay tuned for more videos coming up. Thank you very much. I really thoroughly enjoyed it. I hope you did. All the best. Bye bye.